Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you casting in Python. Casting is nothing but converting a data type into another data type. Earlier in this video series, we have learned what is data type. Data type is nothing but it is a type of a variable. In Python, there are many data types such as integer, strings, and so on and so forth. So data type is nothing but it is a type of a variable. A variable has a data type. That data type indicates what kinds of variable is it. It is a number or it is a string and so on and so forth. For example, in order to explain this concept, I'm going to write a simple program. Casting is nothing but converting one data type into another data type. So I'm going to get a number from user. So I'm going to say input, enter a number. I'm going to copy this line of code. I'm going to say enter a number. So basically I'm getting two numbers from the users, so I'm going to add two of them together. So I'm going to say number 1 plus number 2. So if I execute this program, it will ask me to enter a number. So I'm going to enter a number here. So before that, okay, I'm going to execute this program. I'm going to say 10 and 10. It didn't do the arithmetic operations, and you can see it didn't do the addition. What it does, it did the concatenation. So I don't want this behavior. The reason why default this input method returns string. Even though you type number values, okay, even though you type numerical value, it returns as a string. The reason, you type numerical value, but the data type of the variable is string. That's why the Python treat as a concatenation. Instead of doing addition, it did concatenation, because Python thinks it is a string, because Python didn't know. Because even though you put numerical value in it, even though you put numbers in this two variable, the data type of this two variable is strings. Strings mean text. That's why it put concatenation. So here I'm going to type my name instead of variable, instead of numbers, and you can say it concatenate my name together. Okay, and if I put numerical value, it does the same thing, but it didn't do the addition, but it concatenate together. The reason Python doesn't know the data type of this variable. Python only knows these two variables are strings. So we have to convert these two variables as number. We need to tell, hey Python, this is a number, not a string. So in order to do that, you have to use this method int. Okay, int. So now we are casting int num1, int num2. Now Python knows it is a numerical value. Now Python knows it is a numerical value. We shouldn't do concatenation. We should do the addition. So when I do that, when I give numbers, and you can see it add everything together. So it didn't concatenate, it add. Okay, I'm going to say 6 and 4 is equal to 10. So like that in Python, if you want to convert, so I'm going to give another example called number. Okay, number, I'm gonna put inside quotation marks or something like that. So if you want to convert string into array, you can use str. String into number, you can use str. To convert anything into strings, you can use str. Or if you want to convert into number, you can use int. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. This is all about casting. There are so many things about casting, and you can search and learn it, and I will teach you in the next video, next upcoming lessons. And thank you very much for watching this video.